Hi, I'm Priyanka. I've got a perfect solution for bathroom and household cleaning for us. The Agaro Royal Electric Spin Scrubber with its many attachments help in making any chore an easy task. Let's take a look at it. The Agaro Royal Electric Spin Scrubber can be used for the deep cleaning of bathroom, and apart from this it can be used in other parts of the house. This is the main unit and this part is for the attachments. This is the power button which can be used for two different speed levels, and this is the battery level indicator. Here's the charging port. It comes with this Velcro head which acts as a base for some of the attachments that we'll see later. Let's take a look at these attachments. This is the small bristle brush that will go directly on the head. We don't need Velcro head for this. This is the large bristle brush. Next is this pointed bristle brush which can be used for hard to reach areas. Next is this fiber sponge brush which can be used to clean kitchen counter or cooktops. This attachment is perfect for exterior of car as well as glasses and mirrors. The woolen cloth brush attachment can be used for applying polish or polished surface. The cloth brush attachment is perfect for mopping. These attachments are very easy to install. Just place the attachment on the Velcro head and you can use the power button to switch between the two speeds of different RPMs. The woolen cloth attachment goes on the Velcro head as shown. The sponge attachment also goes on the Velcro head. The fiber brush attachment also goes on the Velcro head. For the brush attachments, you don't need the Velcro head. The attachments can be placed directly on the main unit as shown. This electric spin scrubber comes with an extension tube. The extension tube can be assembled and the length can be adjusted. It's great for scrubbing floor and for difficult to reach areas. The extension tube needs to be attached to the main unit. After attaching the extension tube, you can place your desired attachment on the main unit. This is the USB-C charging cable that you get with this electric spin scrubber. It has a battery capacity of 2500 mAh. It takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and works up to 90 minutes. This is the stick-on hanger that you get with this electric spin scrubber. This hanger can be placed on the wall and the extension tube goes in it as shown, and it's very easy to pull out as well. And this is the user manual. To clean these spots on the floor, I am using this large bristle brush attachment. I am using only water to clean these spots, but you can also use a floor cleaner. Start scrubbing, you can select a desired speed from the two speed levels. The spots will be gone in a few seconds. You don't need to spend your energy, the scrubber does it all. Next, I am using the cloth attachment to mop the excess water on the floor. To clean the kitchen counter, I am using some water and cleaner. I am using the fiber sponge attachment to clean the kitchen counter. It helps to easily take off the stains from the kitchen counter. For the corner under the skirting area, I am using this pointed bristle brush. This pointed bristle brush is very helpful in cleaning such areas where flat brushes don't reach. Next, I am wiping the counter and you can see it has become nice and clean. For wooden surfaces, you can add some polish and use the woolen cloth attachment for polishing the surface. It helps in evenly spreading the polish and also helps to restore the shine. My wooden table is looking as good as new. Now let's deep clean the bathroom wash basin. For this, I am using some water and a cleaner liquid. Next, I am using the small bristle brush. It helps in effortlessly cleaning the wash basin and also does not take a lot of time. You can use a little water. The pointed bristle brush can be used to clean the small areas of the tap. The wash basin is now nice and clean from the inside. Since it's a countertop wash basin, it also has edges which get dirty. So I'm using the pointed bristle brush to clean those. Not just wash basin, this electric spin scrubber can be used to clean the entire bathroom. Like you can see the grout on this wall, it has become dirty and with time it gets dirty. You can use a pointed bristle brush to clean the grout. You can see the difference between the area I clean and the area that is not cleaned yet. Next, I am going to clean the bathroom glass with some glass cleaner and sponge attachment. The same way this attachment can be used to clean mirror and the exterior of car. Just use it and scrub it all over the glass or mirror and wipe it with a cloth. For bathroom floor, I am using the large bristle brush and also using the extension tubes so that I easily clean all the floor without bending over. I would recommend using a floor cleaner for better cleaning results. All the attachments are washable. You can wash them with some water or soak them in hot water for cleaning. Please ensure that you do not immerse the main unit in water. Only the attachments including the Velcro head attachments and brushes can be cleaned with water or any cleaner liquid. Let the attachments completely dry before you store them. I believe that the Agaro Royal Electric Spin Scrubber is a must-have cleaning tool for every household.